What is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Again, you can see I'm here in my hoodie. It's currently winter in Australia and it's pretty cold. The heating is on, but waking up in the mornings, it's pretty frosty, so you'll probably see me in this hoodie a lot. It's nice and warm. But before we get started, if you're interested in joining the premium signals channels, there's GJ and Gold. Whichever one you prefer to trade, I would highly suggest you stick to one. These are the channels right here. So you go to Callisto Capital and it will come up start, and then here you can see the welcome message. We've got GJ premium signals for $24.99 because I don't know, I feel like I want to offer a cheaper alternative. And then there's Gold for $49.99 a month. That's USD. Both really good prices. Most people charge like over 100 USD, and with these stats, we've got an 88.89% win rate, and we've got 17 wins, 2 losses, and 5 break even so far. That's from the start of June, so that's only recent that I started these groups. So pretty good stats, good prices. So if you're interested in joining, the link will be below for those. But yesterday we had these trades on GJ and Gold. So GJ here, you can see price failing to price obviously was, if we take a look overall, price is in this uptrend, short uptrend, right? But if we take a look even further out, we can see clear, it's very bullish, very, very bullish. And price is currently, respecting this kind of, I don't really trade trend lines, but it's just to show, well, I don't trade trend lines at all, but it's just to show that price is obviously moving to the upside, as we can just see by looking at the chart. And so price, was coming up to make it broke previous structure over here, highs, right? And then it tested and it tried to bounce and continue bullish, to continue this bullish uptrend. But as you can see, it was rejecting this resistance, and then we started to see that bearish momentum come into the market pre-London, and so that's why I took these sells, with anticipation that price is probably going to come down into these areas right here. As you can see, this is where it exactly came into. This is the, I don't trade fibs either, but I like to use them as a measure. Like if price is in an uptrend like this, creating clear higher highs and higher lows, then you can use the Fibonacci to see where, if price is going to retrace short term, where that could potentially go to, and exactly went into that key Fibonacci level right there. But yeah, overall the price action was showing bearish momentum coming into pre-London, and the levels, right, respected resistance, broke this minor kind of support, resistance support level, kind of, it was bouncing, and then you can see it was just breaking straight through. So we had those beautiful sales, 35 pips, stops above key levels as usual. And like I said, that was called out in the GJ, the premium GJ channel. So as you can see, there's the setup. gbpjpy sales stops, entry 182395, stop loss 183095, and take profit 182045. You can see those are the exact same levels right here. So yeah, that was called out in the premium GJ signals channel. There we can see GJ take profit hit, just spiked down in this one candle. And then we had gold trades, right? So this was the gold trade. Right here, you can see prices now come back down in our favor, but it just wasn't gold. Gold just didn't want to drop yesterday, right? We came back up to test in these levels right here. As you can see, this kind of level right here. But again, anticipation was that price is going to continue bearish. Again, if we just kind of zoom out, we can see that gold is in a clear downtrend at the moment. You don't need any technical indicators or trend lines or anything to look at this and go, yeah, gold is clearly in a downtrend, obviously. So, the idea was price was going to continue bearish. Price had broke below this key level, right? Support resistance level. It came back up for a retest. It was rejecting, with nice rejection wicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this one ripped down and triggered us in. But yeah, price flipped back bullish and retraced. Obviously, it's not gold's time to drop at the moment, so we'll see what happens from here. I'm just going to delete this level now because it's too messy, and I'm just going to bring in this level right here. This is where price is currently reacting to the most. As you can see, we've got this one and this one now, and I'm just going to delete this, not too worried about that. So yeah, it is what it is. You have losing trades. You can see our track record here on gold over the last few weeks. Nothing but wins and break evens. This was break even. This was break even. This was a win. This was a win. Another win. Another win. Another win. This was break even. Another win. Break even. Even though it would have been a win, but it was break even. Another win. Another win. Another win. Another win. Another win. Break even. Another win, break even, even though it was a win, break even. All these trades on gold since June have been beautiful. So we're due a loss really. Like I said, in the groups, in the signals groups, we are currently where are we? Where did I post that? We are currently 17 wins, 3 losses, and 5 break-even trades. So still really insane stats, right? Since the start of June, 17 wins, 3 losses, 5 break-even. So, it is what it is. We're due, I wouldn't say you should always expect to lose in trading, because you shouldn't, right? If your analysis is right and you're using your risk management and trade management, losses shouldn't happen that much like it does, like it doesn't for us, but they do happen every now and then. So we take it on the chin and we move on. But we had the winning trades on GJ, and then we had the losing trade on gold. So this was minus 2%, and this was plus 1%. So down 1% for the day, which is fine, because we always want to risk 1 to 2% per trade. And of course, this is plus 1%, 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 break even, plus 1%, plus 1%, plus 1%, plus 1%, plus 1%. That was a loss, minus 2%, plus 1%, break even, plus 1%, break even, plus 1%, plus 1%. So you understand, like, the high win rate will give us those gains. You just got to be patient. Will give us those gains, the plus 1%, and then every now and then you have a minus 2%. So you'll be bump, 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 minus 2%, plus 1%, plus 1%, plus 1%, break even, minus 2%. But at this point where we are, so if we look at the stats, it will be 17%, right? And then 3 losses would be 6%. So that would be up 11%, right? Is that right? Yeah, of course. I'm sorry, it's like early in the morning. It's 8 a.m. I got up at 6 a.m. this morning, so I'm a bit, I'm a bit tired. But yeah, so 11% for the month so far across both pairs is, really good. Some people, some people's goals are 10% for the month, or a few months, or half a year, or something like that. We've hit that. We've hit that 10% margin for the month. It's the 27th. How long we got left? We got 1, 2, 3 days left of the month. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So that was the trade yesterday, called out in the Telegram groups. If you're interested, the links will be below. But yeah, we keep moving. We keep. Again, I'll be here tonight, same time, on the charts, doing the same analysis, taking the same trades, and we're just all about consistency here, right? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.